repatriation assistance. At tandaan niyo po yan, ha? So yung mga unang nakauwi sa Pilipinas mula sa Dubai, tinawag nilang repatriation because binigyan sila ng pamahalaan ng assistance. Whether financial assistance, whether psychosocial assistance, livelihood assistance, and so on and so forth. Medical assistance, whatsoever. Basta assistance coming from the government, even if you did not, you buy your own ticket. Let's say you buy your own ticket, your employer bought your own ticket, then you finally get back in the Philippines, the Philippine government assisted you, they give you psychosocial counseling, they give you medical assistance, financial assistance, livelihood assistance, whatsoever. They will call your flight.
Unsere Nummer 1 gegen alle Arten von Pigmentflecken. Jetzt mehr erfahren über Thiamidol. In diesem Jahr werden über 10.000 Elektrofahrzeuge für Amazon-Lieferungen in ganz Europa eingesetzt.
As repatriation. As simple as that. So, yan ang tawag dito, ang airspace and status ng Bahrain as of now. I'm not sure whether yung mga pinakita natin scheduled flight from today and up to March 12 would be automatically cancelled or matuloy. I'm not pretty sure. But I'm just saying that these are the scheduled flight. Just to give you a clarification lamang po, ha? Ayoko kayong paasahin pa. Alright. So, as we speak about the cancellations of flight, I want you to, I know for sure that you guys watched this video already before we head on to Philippine Embassy in Riyadh video. I know you guys watched this video, but let me just show you the. Alright, these are the Filipinos got viral few days ago. Okay, and let me after we watch this video, mga kababayan ko, let me give my 2 cents about these issues. Okay, hindi siya gumagalaw. Teka, pagalawin lang natin. Yan.
Dami namin stranded dito sa airport.
Tapang ni Kuya, no? Siya tayo nagsalita. You give me my ticket, you give me money, buy ticket. Sabi ni tatay. Hindi siya. Mayroong isa nagsasalita.
Ang hirap ng situation namin dito. Lahat kami pauwi na. Final exit, tapos pinapalabas kami. Parang wala namang instruction kung saan kami pupunta. Wala na nga kaming mauwian. Ang dami namin dito. Ito. Kami lahat dito, ayan. Pinapauwi. Kinancel yung flight. Hindi man lang nagsabi kung anong gagawin. Tapos pinalabas pa kami sa airport. Paano yun? Yung iba dito walang mapupuntahan. Wala na kasi nag-exit na sila sa amo nila.